You guys, what I'm about to share with you is so powerful, so listen to it with full presence. I just came back from my evening walk and I was standing there in nature listening to the rivers and trees and the silence of the night. And I saw firefly and there's this energy that started to speak to me. And a lot of the times, we have been told to rehearse feeling small, feeling underconfident. And what changes that? This realization that I'm about to share with you, which is that you are the vessel for the higher power. Your body is a vessel for the higher intelligence, for the God energy. Great create. That energy is in you, in your body, in your bones, in your blood. What do you think is flowing within you? It's infinite intelligence. And the way it is going to blossom into your life when you feel this realization that, like, when you feel this in your body, like, I am a vessel for the higher power, what's going to happen for you? Mind blowing. The way you're gonna blossom, because that infinite intelligence, that expression, it is in everything. It is in the sun, it is in the moon, it is in the nature, it is in the beautiful handpan music that we listen to, or high frequency music that we listen to. That expression, that energy is in us. Okay, it's inside of you. How this energy is gonna blossom, you may not know. That's why people say, like, I was such a different person 5 years ago. I never thought that I would do this, I would be able to create something like this. No, people are not aware how did they wrote that song, how did they created that music, how did they wrote that book, created that movie, or created some kind of invention. It happens through the human mind, by the God, by the higher power. Okay? It influence that, like, I in my life was guided to eat fruits, change my diet, invest my time in front of a candle, meditating, writing, changing colors around me. Like, so many beautiful changes were inspired in my life by the higher power. You will never know the how, you will never know the full picture, but you can, you know, feel such a strong knowing that yes, it's gonna happen for me. I am worth it and all, because I'm a child of God. When you are, living from this ultimate truth that I am a child of God, that my body is a vessel for the higher power. So the way you are going to be blossoming, it's gonna be so magical. It's gonna feel like magic. That's how, like, people, they are never aware how, oh my god, how did I created that music, how did I wrote that book, how did I did that invention. It was all influenced by the higher intelligence. So when you know that your higher intelligence is gonna, like, the higher intelligence is gonna use you, utilize you, there is going to be so much confidence unlocking inside of you when you are operating from this ultimate truth, that you are a vessel, that your body, your mind, your voice, everything is an instrument for the higher power. It's a vessel for the God. Okay? And it's gonna influence you in such, inspire you in such a beautiful way. Okay? Like, life is so beautiful with the creative inspiration sent by the God. Okay? Yeah, just like, know that this is your ultimate truth. Everything else is a false truth. That you are small, that you are unworthy. No, it's all false truth. Stop believing in false truths about you. Keep breaking that pattern of feeling like that about yourself by getting into nature, by praying, by calling, by just affirming to yourself that my body is a vessel for the higher power, my mind is a vessel for the higher power. You know, the energy that I see and I'm witnessing in sun, moon, and nature is inside of me. Okay, and God is gonna use me for the highest good of all. Or saying the prayer that God, use me to bring inspiration, healing, joy into this world. Dear God, do not let me do anything wrong, bad to any of your children. Dear God, all the magic that you are witnessing on me, like you are showering upon me, all the knowledge you are showering upon me, use me to shower that knowledge and wisdom onto others, that good energy